Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today we will listen to an easy English story. Listen carefully. Relax and enjoy the story. It is a warm summer morning. The sun is shining brightly in the sky. Birds are singing outside. A person wakes up early and stretches slowly. Today is a special day. Today is a beach day. A small bag is packed in the bedroom. A towel, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a bottle of water are placed inside. In the kitchen, breakfast is prepared. There are pancakes, fruit, and orange juice. The food tastes fresh and sweet. After breakfast, the dishes are cleaned quickly. Shoes are put on near the front door. Outside, the weather feels perfect. The air is warm, but not too hot. A soft breeze moves through the trees. The streets are busy with cars and people. Some people are walking dogs. Others are riding bicycles. Soon, a bus arrives at the corner. The doors open with a loud sound. The ride to the beach is long but peaceful. Music plays quietly on the bus. People look outside the windows quietly. Tall buildings slowly disappear. Soon, small shops and palm trees can be seen everywhere. Finally, the ocean appears in the distance. The water shines under the bright sunlight. The bus stops near the beach entrance. Many people are already there. Some families are sitting under umbrellas. Children are building sand castles near the water. Others are swimming in the ocean. The sound of waves fills the air. Seagulls fly overhead. A quiet place on the sand is found near the water. A towel is spread out carefully. For a few minutes, the ocean is watched quietly. The waves move slowly toward the shore again and again. The beach feels calm and relaxing. After some time, shoes are removed. The sand feels warm under the feet. Slowly, the person walks closer to the water. Cold waves touch the ankles. The ocean water feels refreshing on the hot day. Nearby, children laugh loudly while playing with a beach ball. A dog runs quickly across the sand. Far away, a boat moves slowly across the water. After a while, swimming begins. The water is cool and clear. People float peacefully in the ocean. Others jump over the waves. The sunlight reflects across the moving water beautifully. After swimming, it is time to relax again. A cold bottle of water is opened. Then, lunch is taken out from the bag. There are sandwiches, chips, and fruit. The food tastes especially good at the beach. While eating lunch, clouds slowly move across the sky. The breeze becomes stronger, but the weather still feels pleasant. In the afternoon, the beach becomes more crowded. More families arrive with umbrellas and coolers. Music can be heard from different directions. People are laughing and talking happily. Nearby, a group begins playing volleyball in the sand. Others fly colorful kites in the sky. For a long time, the ocean is watched quietly again. The sound of the waves feels peaceful. A few seashells are collected near the shore. Some are white. Others are pink or light brown. As the afternoon continues, the sunlight becomes softer. The sky slowly changes color. Orange and pink colors begin to appear near the horizon. Many people stop to watch the sunset. The beach becomes quieter now. Children stop playing. People sit calmly in the sand. The sunset looks beautiful over the ocean. The water shines with orange and gold light. For several minutes, nobody says much. Everyone simply watches the sky. Soon, the sun slowly disappears below the horizon. The air begins to feel cooler. The towel is folded carefully. The empty water bottle is placed back into the bag. One last look at the ocean is taken before leaving. The beach now feels calm and peaceful after the busy day. Lights from nearby restaurants begin turning on. The smell of seafood and grilled food fills the air. A small ice cream shop near the street is still open. A chocolate ice cream cone is bought before going home. The ice cream is cold and sweet. It melts quickly in the warm evening air. Soon the bus arrives again. This time, the ride home feels quiet and relaxing. Many passengers look tired after long summer activities. Some people quietly look at their phones. Others rest with their eyes closed. Outside the window, the city lights glow brightly in the night. After arriving home, shoes are removed near the door again. The apartment feels cool and quiet. A warm shower helps wash away the sand and salt water. Then, comfortable clothes are put on. Later in the evening, cold lemonade is poured into a glass. The drink tastes refreshing after the long day. Pictures from the beach are looked at on a phone. The ocean, the sunset, and the seashells bring back happy memories. Soon, tiredness begins to grow. The lights in the apartment are turned off one by one. Outside, the city is still awake. Cars continue moving through the streets. People continue walking home. But inside, everything feels calm and peaceful. The window is open slightly. Cool night air moves softly into the room. In the distance, thunder can be heard far away. Maybe rain will come tomorrow, but today was beautiful. Today was peaceful. Slowly, the eyes close. The long beach day is finally over. Good night. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.